Hey everybody, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I'm working on these serving trays that my husband made, and now I have to chalk. So let's get going. Okay, so the first thing to do, because we have two sides to chalk on, is take this wreath and put it on. All right, now I'm smoothing out all the bubbles before I put this black velvet chalk paste on. And I'm just gonna apply it and smooth it on with the squeegee. This is the angle squeegee I'm using. Smooth out all the lines and put the excess back in the jar because you can reuse that. And then take it off. I love it when you take it off and you see the design. Now I did put an R in there because that is the monogram for who we are gifting this to. This is for our my sister and brother-in-law, and they live on a farm. So on the other side, we are putting Life is Better on the Farm. Now the first layer is currant jam that I use because I didn't want the bright red of candy apple, so I used that one. And then I put Life is Better on I put that in black velvet. Now for the second layer, I put a little bit of wax and I fuzzed the layer really good and just use a lighter hand. You just want to make sure you don't pull up the first chalking when you do this. So it's pretty easy to line it up because you can see through the design. So just with a lighter touch, put this on, smooth out the lines, and take off the excess. And then, yay, look at that. Is that not awesome? All right, so I want to finish this out with the farm, with the black velvet chalk paste. And then after I do this, of course, put it on, take off the excess, and then take off your transfer. Almost perfect every time. All right, now this is the windmill, and it's on a 2-layer also. So I'm going to use black for the first one. And I just use a backer sheet to protect the barn so it makes it look like it's behind the barn. Kind of a masking. And once that dries, then we're going to put the second coat on. The same thing, I waxed it and fuzzed it and then put the Storm chalk paste on it. Smooth off all the excess and take it off. And we're done. I love it. Thanks for watching.